Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I rent a big motorbike to travel around Thailand.
Okay guys, good morning and welcome to Pattaya. There we go. We have Yam with us today. Come on, we're gonna drive a little bit around Pattaya and we need to bring the bike to do some quick services at the shop, and it's gonna be quick. They will also put me the bags, 2 bags on the side of the bike. That's our bike shop. But I will have to get to the U-turn point. ANN Motorbike, it's on Sukhumvit Road. I will put the link in the video description if you are interested. I just left the bike at the shop there and it started to rain. What you gonna do while you're waiting that they service your bike? You go to lunch. Here we go. Food. Looks like we have a nice noodle place. Here you have some typical sweets.
While the water keeps pouring from the sky like there's no tomorrow,
Noodles. Proper noodles.
let me tell you something about what you need to rent a big motorbike. You obviously need a driving license for the motorbike. I am Italian, so I have a A driving license. You also have to have with you an international driving license. So these are the 2 most important requirements. You just have to pay them 1 month deposit and the 1 month rental in advance, and the bike is yours.
Nice noodles here in this place, and the rain has stopped, but let's see what's happening in Sukhumvit Road, because guys, when this kind of rain hit the city, many area of the town gets flooded. So that's make the traffic, that make the traffic look like this. You see? Look at that. There you go. Here we go. The guy's fixing side boxes. Let me see how. Like the big box was amazing, to be honest, but with the big box you cannot open the 2 small box, so we are back to the small box.
As always, at one point the rain has stopped, so we left the shop. We drive a little bit to try the motorbike, to get used to it. And honestly, what I miss the most about going with the 2 wheels is this.
Oh, take it easy because I have a lady here, but that's no one little bit.
After a couple of days of rides, everything is ready for the road trip from the sea to the mountains. We're gonna make some stops along the way because the journey to Chiang Mai is very long. So stay there, because in the next episodes we're gonna start this ride from Pattaya to the big city of Korat. Let me know in the comment below if you had the experience to travel around Thailand with a motorbike. It will be interesting. And with that said, thanks for watching guys, and as always, I hope to see you in the next one.